So hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a good I hope you guys had a good weekend. So uh, this week is going to be a bit dead kind of, because you can see the market like the today we don't have any news coming, and on Wednesday it's a Christmas Eve, Thursday initial jobless claims, and Friday I think this week it's not going to be very I mean, not we'll not get to see too much price action since it's a holiday season. I think it's going to last for another week of January probably. So December is like it's not a trading month for me. But since I've started this channel, I want to just come around every every day at this hour. So let's see what we have on Dow Jones. As we can see, the price has tried to reject from this level of resistance, and we'll do a fresh markup for Dow Jones. Let's see what we have. After the huge sell-off from the Fed rate decision on 18th of December, the market has been trying to recover, and we have some important levels to keep in mind. That's in daily time frame. You can see the price has rejected from this level of support, but still I think there's some fair value gaps. Was I mean, it's not filled yet, but the price has tried to, you know, to get some support from this level. Apart from that, we have this level of resistance here. As you can see, that price has got rejected from this level, targeting this fair value gap here, the imbalance at this area. So I think this week it's going to be a bit choppy. The market is going to be sideways, consolidation phase, probably. But I will make this area of consolidation in this area, because price needs to break either side, either from the lower side or from the upper side. So let's see, because this week I would not be trading, because as I told you that it's a Christmas Eve and there's not much volatility in the market and you cannot see good price action happening. So that's it. But I'm going to make some markups for today and see if we can catch something. Though I'm not interested on taking any trades today. Only if I see a nice setup aligning to my confluences, only then I might enter. So here we see that the price has left a huge imbalance for from from this point of support, which was broken this London session. The price is trying to, fill up this gap around here. In the 4 hours it's the same. In the daily time frame you can see, yeah, in 4 hours it's the same, in 1 hour as well, 30 minutes as well. So here we can mark support for the price. If it comes around this area of support and imbalance, we can figure out the price action and we can target some buys from here, from this area. So this is going to be my area of interest around this corner. As you can also see, the price has broken the structure from here. Price has taken out the structure, London was a good opportunity for sell, but since I don't trade London anymore, I didn't enter. Though my friend, he entered really good trades on Nasdaq, and yes, I saw the same setup here. For like this setup was forming very well after the break of structure. Here you can see the price broke in this level, and then it went back to fill up the imbalance, and then straight down. It was an opportunity trade, but I just do not trade London anymore. Look, here was here the fair value gap was around this area, and the price took the fair value gap, and it showed some signs of rejection as well. In 5 minutes you can see it more clearly. Look, the price here has left an imbalance, and from here the price went up to take this to fill up this imbalance, or FVG, whatever you can call it. It's the same thing from different in different terms, so it doesn't matter. So this area the price went back up to take the fill up the imbalance in this area, and then from there it just fell down. So the valid entry would have been after this break of this area around here, this candle. If I were to enter, I would have entered around here after this bearish candle with the stops of 50 ticks as always, and it was a clear 2-3 hour. But I'm sticking up with my rules. I'm not breaking them, not making any such kind of mistakes that I did before, because indices it's not like forex. It's just, once you hit the stop you want to just overtrade, because you see there's so much price action in indices that you just see and think that okay, every trade is an opportunity, but in reality it's not. You have to find the real good ones in order to enter. So look, for sell, if the price fails to reach at this level, if the price fails to reach at this level, I would be interested selling here as well. You see the price, if the price one moment, if the price doesn't reach this level, and if it comes around this area of imbalance, I would be interested in taking the trade. But since we have more imbalances to be filled here, and it's US30, so I'm not going to risk today. Since you can see the price, if you see in 4 hours, look, there's a huge imbalance here left the entire candle. So it's likely that the price would like to go and fill this up before any leg down. And 1 hour as well, you can see the price has left a huge imbalance. So huge imbalance here. I would be interested in this corner, but I think the price is too far gone. I mean, the price has fallen from this level at what time today? At 8 a.m. So I don't think we will get that opportunity to sell at this level as of yet. But see if the price follows, if the price respect this level, I might be interested in selling here as well. If I see any kind of rejection before after the opening, price might go up to take some liquidity levels from here. As you can see, the price has left some liquidity here. It might go and test this level as well. So I think I will be very cautious before any execution today. As I told you that there is one trade planned here, which if I place, maybe let's see if there's a $50 stop loss, though my stops are still not safe, so I would not enter this trade. I would wait for the price to show some real price action around this zone. Only then I will see if it aligns with my strategy. I will wait for the price to come up here and see if it shows some price action. Only then I will be interested in entering in this trade. Other than that, I will just wait for the price to reach this level as well, because this is also an important level which was taken out this morning, but the price hasn't tested this level. So I'm going to be waiting for this level as well. And this is the extreme one that I marked in the 1 hour. So these are three trades that I would be interested in selling. In regards to buying today, I would not buy anything unless the price fills up the imbalance here. And there's a huge imbalance left in all the time frame, you can say, in 4 hours as well, in 1 hour, in 30 minutes, in 15 minutes, in 5 minutes as well. So I would be interested for the price to come at this level for any further buys. So that will be it today for Dow Jones. I have these markups, and I will only enter if I see any price action, either ways, if it's for buys or for sells. So this is it for Dow Jones. Going back to Russell, let's see what we have today. Let's move to the daily chart. Remove all the markers from before. So well, Russell shows some good signs of rejection from the support level here in 4 hours as well. The price has left some imbalance here, which is very crucial, which is very important. As you can see, the price has broken a bit of structure here, or let's say it has broken the structure in this area in 4 hours. So I think this area I would be very interested in buying around this area. But let's scroll down, let's refine the zone and see what we have in the lower time frame. Let's say in 1 hour. In 1 hour as well. In 1 hour as well, we have an imbalance here. That's also a support of this level here. As you can see, there was a good break of structure in 1 hour, which can possibly lure all the buyers. This here was the break of structure to the downside. So I will wait for the price to maybe to come down at this level and see some price action, just like Dow Jones today. They both have very similar trading conditions today. Right. Yeah, so this is the area which I will be interested in buying. Coming down to 15 minutes, we can see the price has taken the imbalance, but not completely. This area is still, it remains still unfinished. So maybe the price can come here and then we can see any leg up, but I'm not expecting too much today, as of given the fact that it's a Christmas Eve week. I might want to see price come this area and show some potential of buyers. Look, in the 5 minutes as well, you can see the imbalance has not been taken out completely, even not even the 50% of the imbalance. So this area remains unfinished. Regarding the sells on Russell, we can see that the price in, let's see, in the higher time frame, in 1 hour, you can see the price has broken the structure here, leaving a good area for sells, a good fair value gaps here. This is the high, this is the highest that it has been last yesterday. So this can be a nice area for sales. But given the fact that the news came out the other day and the price pushed really high, I would not be very convinced on this for the sales. But let's see. So this area remains unfinished. I would be interested if the price comes in this level. I would like to see some price action, like some exhaustion for the buyers. I would like to see something like this, and we can target the area here if this area remains unfinished. Or as far as now, the price is in the zone, is in the block. So this would be my initial setup for Russell. We don't have too much stops, like the stops are not very safe in Russell though. But yeah, this would be my markup. Anyway, let's move back to Dow Jones. Let's see what it has, because I would be interested in Dow Jones today more than Russell. Honestly, I will be interested on selling in this area. I'll just mark it as a zone for now. If the market opens, if the price reaches here before the market gets open, then of course I'm not going to be interested in this area, because when the market gets open in Dow Jones, on the index it shows a good volatility. I would not like to risk my trade in any circumstance. Looks like a very simple setup for today, not much complications. We have for the downside areas to be filled. We have potential for the price to come below around this corner. It's very likely. In 5 minutes, also you can see the price has left a huge imbalance here. This area, this entire area. I will wait for to see how the market reacts in the opening. Only then I will see any, if I see any confluence which aligns to my strategy. Only then I will try to take a trade. Let's say if I plan an entry here for sales, my stops will not be safe. Nope, not really. In the flip side, if I just invert the scale, if I switch the chart on the other side, I think the price, well, all depends on this level here. If the price respects this level and doesn't close below, it can be a good buying opportunity for me, like selling opportunity from here. Like 10 minutes for the markets to get open. In RTA, it's the same thing as Dow Jones. We have an imbalance here, but if the price reaches in this area before the market open, I would not be interested in taking any trade on the sell side in this area, because I'll just wait for the volume to show to take some liquidity from above or wherever it is right now. Maybe if you like this area it can be tested potentially, so I will be waiting for the banks to for the New York to get open. All these imbalances here, you can see all these fair value gaps, they are open. So this sell here from here can work, but depending on how the market reacts on the opening, because there's a huge possibility for the market to go and fill up these gaps here. Like if you see in 1 hours, you 1 hour time frame, you can see as well huge gaps, huge gaps are left above, and it's from today, it's not from the other day, it's from today. So let's see. just to see how this one works. I'm gonna put one limit order here, but not in my mini, because I'm gonna wait. This is very likely to work, this trade, very likely, but I'm not going to enter with the limit order. I'm going to wait. So we have 2 minutes left for the banks to get open. Let's see. If the price managed to break above this level, I would plan a buy as well, which could potentially be to this area here. That's right, the price looks like it's getting rejected from this level. Let's see how this candle closes. Whoa. Whoa. Let's see, I have not entered yet. I want to see how this candle closes. I'm not going to enter yet. Price might go and take some liquidity here. So I will wait for the price to close, this candle to close. Same is happening with RT as well. Mm, it's moving according to Dow Jones, but I will be waiting for any confirmation. It looks like that the price needs to break out from any of this zone. Let's see what's going on in the lower time frame. RT looks like it's gonna break above. So if this imbalance gets invalidated, if the price closed above this area, I would possibly be looking for a buy. But since there's too much volume, I will wait. The candle look at the candles. If more than 60 ticks, see what's the volume. It's for the upside. But I will wait. No execution yet. If the price breaks below this level, I would like to execute a sell if I get the proper stops. RT looks like it has taken the imbalance from the 15 level, from the 15 minutes, which is very likely. Yeah, RT has taken the imbalance from the 15 level. The moment it breaks down this level, I would be interested in looking for sells on RT. So let's see how the price breaks, because my stops are going to be very small. wait for the closure of this candle. In the 1 minute we can see the same thing. Oh, I've been interested. Now close below this level. Since this is also holding the price, this area here. So I will see if the 5 minutes closed below this. I will plan my entry. If I'm lucky enough, I will get a good entry on this one. Only if the price breaks below this level, or else this level here is still valid for any upside momentum. If it clears out this level and close above, we can look for any upside trades as well. RT looks very cool for a sell. This would be my take on RT. Can place some stop orders on my epics. Stop orders. Let's see how it goes. I would be waiting for a closure below this level, and then I'll possibly put a stop order here, or limit order. Oh, I accidentally placed the trade. I have to wait. I have to wait. 5 minutes. I'll wait for in 5 minutes. Let's see how this one closes. Need a closure below this level. Well, I have entered on this one. Got executed a bit early, but that's fine. Oops, I think I got stopped out in Russell. What the hell happened? Ooh, I think this area is giving good support to the price. Or might be my stops were very small as compared to regular ones. Since Dow Jones is still in the zone, so I'm gonna be waiting for Dow Jones. RT doesn't look good now. Maybe it does. Let me see what it does in this area. In the lower time frame, the price showed some bullish reaction from this level, so probably I think it's better to wait to enter below this, or otherwise I don't know. Today I might not take any more trades. This one right here was a good one though. I don't know why it didn't play. Price broke the zone below. I'll be waiting for Dow. market has a huge today the market has huge volumes. Look at the 1 minute candles. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. Dow is still okay today, but RT has got huge volume today. Huge. Not gonna be looking at something. Sell was correct. Why is it showing now? The market itself is saying that don't touch me today. Crazy price has not moved more than 100, more than $50 from here. This is why the price is not moving down from this area. It has, it's getting some support from this area of this area around here. If it breaks below and close, I would be very happy to take a sell around this corner. Stops above the last high. Only if the market gives me a chance, because if it triggers the stop orders, then I think it will not retrace. I think it has triggered the stop orders. Uh, nope. Yeah, I think the stop orders have been triggered. This trade on RT was good. It just stopped me out for nothing. Well, time to take a chance on Dow Jones, which could potentially work. So this is going to be the trade of my day. This RT is shit today. Oh, shit. I entered another account on RT, which is still only 3-4 ticks profit. So yeah, this is going to be my trade if it triggers well enough, if it stops me out well enough. But I will be hopeful for this trade, so I'll just remove RT for now. To be very precise, I would want to enter in this area here, but I think I should just leave it here. It might not trigger, but I want to take a chance on this one. With RTI, I have also entered one trade because this Dow Jones, I don't think it's gonna give me an entry. So I entered on RT, which is still okay. This one looks good. I can move my stops somewhere on here. For the target, I would potentially target on this area around here. So let's see how this one plays. In Dow, still waiting for the trade. Let's see. Dow is still waiting for the trade. If it triggers, it triggers. This one is going to be my only trade for today. Not interested in taking though, but I'm gonna take it. Not sure of this one. I'm gonna move my entry a bit higher. Around this. It will still be 60 ticks of stop loss. Very likely that the price might turn down from here. Fifty ticks. Here the stops would be around this corner. Dow Jones, it looks like it has played. I was a bit confused of the entry here, because look, if it's taking the 15 minutes, the price, look, if it's taking the 15 minutes, the price has a potential to, you know, get sold off from this area, and that's what happened. As you can see, I've taken a sell on this one in this area, because both of them have its own potential selling area around this as well. And this can, if you want to go extreme, you could wait for this area of, to be filled. Look around here. So it depends on your uh, trading style, depending on what risk you want to take on the trade. I think Dow Jones will play pretty well, and I'm very much convinced on this one. As you can see, the price has already given me 2 hour. I'm gonna move my stops to here so that I'm almost risk free, or maybe I'll just close this one. I'll close this one. I will hold this maybe, or I think I should close this one as well. I'm gonna just wait for Dow Jones to come up again for some retracement, since, yeah, I think this could be another selling opportunity from from the area where I wanted, which was somewhat around this. So I think the price can come back up. I'm still waiting for this trade to trigger. Our RT, if I make a quick analysis again, the price, look, this price here, you can see the price here, it's a bit of a mess, the price is getting some kind of support from this level, but in case of Dow Jones, it doesn't have anything as such. You can see the price, it's clean imbalance below. So I think if I get a chance to enter the level that I really wanted to enter in my main account, I would wait for this one. But since I entered here as well, I think it's okay if it even doesn't come. has a really bad price action today. Really bad. Look, I entered here, it stopped me out for no reason. I entered here, it was a very good trade. It's just my stops are very small as always. But I think overall it was okay because I entered here after this candle closure of this one. So it stopped me out with what one, two, three, four, three, four ticks. Not even four ticks. My stops were like let's see, my stops were here at 61.5, 61.5, 62.5. Just like with a small amount of movement, it stopped me out. But well, I have taken my, I've taken the Dow Jones trade, and I think I'm good to go today. So I think today no profit, no loss. I mean, yeah, one hour, just 1 hour, which is okay. I got stopped out in RT with 1 hour, and I took like 2 hour on Dow Jones. So I think everything counts. You know, it's Christmas. Whatever you can get. So, hey man, trusted funders, Felly, bro, how are you? Oh no, I closed that trade because um, I closed it because I just had a loss on RT, so I decided to just recover and make 1 hour. You know, because today today I wasn't really prepared for trading because you know it's December and it's a Christmas Eve thing going on. There's no, you know, the volume is a bit weird. You see, RT, it stopped me out for nothing, bro. Look, I entered around here. Look, I entered here. It was a good trade. I mean, because of my stops, look, I placed my stops of 50 ticks here. So it just went like two, three ticks, like six, seven, and stopped me out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You saw it, right? Yeah, everything is transparent. If I hit a stop loss, I hit a stop loss. So I think I just wanted to recover. I did my 2 hour on the Dow Jones, so I'm okay. Yeah, yeah, Dow it was really good. Dow was good. Dow was good. I wanted to hold, but you know, look, I'll tell you why I didn't hold. Because look, I entered a bit early here, which was, you know, it was not my the type of the entry that I do every time. So I was like, I'm very optimistic that the price would come around this level to fill up the imbalance, and then it might go down. So I think I see it like this. Look, this was my early entry on Dow. See, so I took like 2 hour here. I took my 2 hour like with $50 stop loss. I took my 2 hour. I entered here Dow. I took my 2 hour out. Okay, so I'm done for the day. But if the price decides to come above this area, which I'm expecting, then I would enter. You know, I would enter again. I know. I mean, yeah, Dow has the potential to reach this level here. 1 hour. Let me check 1 hour. Yeah, crazy, bro. Crazy. 1 hour. It's inevitable. Look, my target was here, around this level. In 1 hour, it's true that the price will just push down to this area or even lower. But you know, since you know that I always put like 50 ticks of stops, so I'm like, it's my early entry, so Christmas bonus, you know. So man, so many messages. I just didn't see it because I was trading, like I had like two three accounts going on. I couldn't see it before, bro. You close it as well? Yeah, yeah. I mean, I think it's okay to close because Look, yeah, in the NAS that you took, I mentioned in the video the NAS that you took this morning. I saw it, bro, and even on Dow Jones, if you see, literally, it was a really good trade here. Look around this area when the structure broke. This was the damn good entry, but you know that I've decided that fuck London. I'm not going to enter London anymore. So I said no, I'm not going to enter. Yeah, yeah. Oh my god, look, this thing is just melting down. Ah, I should have held a bit longer, bro. But still okay, you know. I'm okay with my 2 hour. Well, whatever it gives. Because I this RT hit my stops for nothing. Look, this trade was so good. Like look, ending up with 3 hour, which is where I plan to close, you know. Hit my stop for nothing. Yeah, yeah, I checked the Dow on 1 hour. It's insane, insane. The price has to go this level. It's inevitable. The price has to come here. But given the fact, dude, today I was not in the mood of trading as well. RT clapped me for 2 ticks. Just for 2 ticks, bro. Not even two. I think it was maybe 1 2 or 2.2. I don't know. RT was a good entry though. Look, I mean, it just I don't know why. Let me check why the fuck it went up back up again. Let me check in 1 hour or 1 minute what happened. Look, this candle here, it makes no sense. I mean, seriously, man. It just wanted to, clap me out, and it did perfectly. Look, my entry was here. Yeah, my entry was here, and then it just went straight up, clapped me with 1 or 2 ticks, and then straight down. This is why this in this Christmas Eve and this holiday season, I don't really want to enter the market. That's why look, I stopped on RT. I was like, and it was useless. The stop was useless. It just hit like that. And on Dow Jones, and I was like, okay, I'm going to enter here on one account, and if I see if I make 2 hour, I will be out, and that's what I did. And now I'm waiting. If the price comes back up again, I'm gonna remove the sell limit. I'm gonna see what how the price comes up and any price action. Only then I will enter, because now I think now it's not the right thing to do with the limit orders. Let me check your Nasdaq, bro. You entered in such a cool such a cool environment like London. Okay, that's the best thing to do, right? No, no bully, no nothing. The price is almost dead, and then you can trade with calm. Let me see what happened in Nasdaq. Oh well, you entered somewhere around here, right? This area. You look. I like London sometimes, but I like more action, like Dow Jones. Time to more action. Look, I think you entered somewhere around here, right? Okay, okay. Send me on WhatsApp. I'll check. How many R did you collect on Nasdaq? Two or three? Look now. Yeah, I mean, how many? What risk to reward was that trade? Like, where did you close it? Fucking bitch! Look at this RT, bro. It just clapped me for nothing. I closed it in daily open of today. I just took 1 hour in the end. Well, Well, whatever. But it was giving you like 1,000 five 600. No, when you sent me the text this morning, it was around 1,200 or 300. I'm going to look since now. Since okay, but not bad. I total today 2.46. Okay, man, that is cool. That is cool. Look, since I am with 1 hour plus, I'm going to put back my entry where it was 50 ticks, 177 ticks. I'm going to see. Not bad. Yeah, yeah, bro. 2.6 is okay. Well, I think if the price needs to clear this imbalance first. The lunch session, yeah, you're right, but I think the price needs to clear this imbalance for further low, because look, the price still has the potential to go down, till this area around here. And if you see the 4 hour, dude, the price needs to come at least here. Yeah, the lunch session, yeah, I think I will. I don't, I mean, I don't really want to wait for the lunch session. Look, retest NY open, which was here, right? 1530. Could be, possibly, could be. Yeah, yeah, I think it could be, but I think for according to my setup, I would like the price to come here to fill up the imbalance. I'm going to put in all my counts. I don't mind because now I'm 1 hour plus today for free, for nothing, for just 2 minutes straight. So I'm going to just do it. Let me see. Let me see how it goes. In case price cannot break and why open, next station is Asia High. I got man, Asia High is crazy. Is Asia High is um it's too high, bro. Asia High is somewhere around here. Alright, man. See you. See you. Bon profit. I think Asia High it's too much to expect for now. Cause Asia High is here, bro. Yeah, man. Thanks. Thanks. You too. I mean, you are already done in London. In London, boy. The man of London. Bro, that's why I took 2 hour and I just got out because the price hasn't filled up the imbalance from above. So it was probably, the price was going down. I mean, I don't know. I just wanted to wait for the price to come at this level. So I had one entry here is early entry on Dow Jones. So I closed with 2 hour. Like I was okay, whatever it gives me because I hit one stop loss on RT. So I was like okay. So yeah, I think the price will go back up before it goes down to fill up the gap. RT was a good call today, but it it was not very. I mean, it was a good call, but I don't know why it just hit the stop loss for nothing. Sometimes market does it things, so that's it. That's okay. I really like this trade on RT. It gave me the prior entry before Dow Jones. In most of the times I take Dow Jones before and then I look for RT. But this time RT gave me the trade was really good. Look, the potential was 3.42 R, which was like, look, it just one tick, two tick, it just fucked up my stops. Anyway, let's see. Since I'm on 2 hour, 1 hour plus, I'm going to wait for this trade to be taken, and let's see if it plays out. What is my friend saying? When I saw your trade, I was more confident in your short in Dow Jones because it was very bearish. It was better. So your trade, I was when I saw your trade, I was more confident in your short in Dow Jones because it was very bearish. It was better than mine. Um, and when I saw the close 1 hour candle, I said, okay, it's done. But the fucking price stop didn't break the opening, and I said, okay, now we are in a trouble, so I closed it. The other thing that I saw is that the previous candle are vector, 1 hour, 15 minutes, and I'd say, okay, I will close, definitely. Yeah, bro. I was very optimistic about the sales on Dow because first it broke the level, okay, and second I wanted the price to come a bit up where my planned target was, like, you know, then I would be like very much confident and I would have added some more positions in my trade. But I knew that this always happens when it makes a new like liquidity from before, like before opening, like where the price went back up and fell down. That's where it happens most of the time. So I was like, no, I'm going to take one trade at least there, and I'm going to wait for another trade on the top on my level. So look, that's what it happened. It came in that place and it got rejected. I took my like I didn't close any partials because I didn't have any partial. I opened with just one contract and I closed all of it with just like in more than less than 5 minutes, and I was like, okay, now I'm going to wait for my own, like my main trade. So let's see if it comes right now. If it comes, it's fine. Otherwise, I'll just call it a day. Look, you can see the RT here has filled up the imbalance from before, this area which I marked before, maybe on the other chart. So it's very likely that it might show some reversal from here, short term, not expecting a long term reversal, since the price is in a bearish downtrend for, I mean, since a month maybe, and for now and in this session. So same thing is going on with Dow Jones, but I don't know if it has filled up the imbalance. Let me check once. In 5 minutes it did, but there's still some open imbalances left in the bottom. But I think the price has done its thing, you know. If you see here, there was a imbalance in 5 minutes. Price has clearly filled the imbalance. So I think I will remove my limit order because I will wait for to see to see any price action here. In 15 minutes as well. Nah, bro. I think it needs to come more down, at least to this level, at least minimum. So I think I will put back my sell limits, or I'll see, let the price come up. Let's see what's going on in 15 minutes. Same. 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Well, I will take a chance on this one. Yeah, this would be my planned entry. If this trade gets executed successfully, I can scale this trade. You know, I can wait for my target, which will be here below this liquidity level here. freaking trade. This one was really good. Let's see. I'll wait for some signs of rejection here. Only then I will plan my entry. I'm not gonna put my limit orders. Not on this one for sure. Well, the trade on my mini, I think it was okay. It in my micro, sorry. I think it was okay because I entered where somewhere around here. Um, I forgot to see about this trade. Yeah, I entered here and I closed. Th this was also a perfect entry, like what 2 hour something. Yeah, it gave me 2 hour. So I think it was also a good trade. This was a good trade here in my macro. MYMH. So 2 hour on this one. So I think it's like 2.5 hour and 1 hour in loss. So I think overall it's okay. I'll wait for the price to come here and see how it reacts. Only then I will try to execute. Though in one trade I have my setup plan already. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oof, the price is coming here. I want to see in 1 minute. Look, this is why I closed my trade here. The one that I entered around this corner, I closed here because I knew that the price would come to take this imbalance, because it's very important, very important. You, if you are trading futures or forex or anything, you have to be sure that imbalance has got a lot of potential, a lot of potential. Those who know, those who know, they know about this. Fair value gaps are very important, very very important. Sometimes it looks unreal that no, the price is not gonna come up, but look right now what's happening. The price left the imbalance. I don't want to enter a bit early again, so I'm gonna be waiting for this area. Price came again and took this imbalance. It took it. I mean, it almost took it. Look here, took it. But I'm going to wait for the extreme level and see the price action in maybe 1 minute time frame, how it reacts and how what it does here, and only then I will try to execute. Maybe, not sure. This is what happened. Look, I planned my entry here, but I'm not gonna take it. Not gonna take yet. Not yet. Great rejection. Great rejection. Maybe I'll see if I see a structure break in this area, I will then enter. But I think the trade played already. It took the imbalance 50%. Let me see. 50%. Yeah, I think the trade is already on play, but I'm not in the trade. That's okay. That's okay. RT as well. RT as well. The trade played very well. Mm, 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 mm. RT, I think it can be a good entering option, maybe for a short 1 hour, probably. So yeah, I think if the price comes here, I can. It will come though. I'll just enter with a limit order here. The small stops. 93 ticks. Let me see what happened in 3 minutes. Yeah, very well. I think this one can play as well. Only if it comes back up. So yeah, on RT, I think this one could be a good option for a sell. Let's see how it goes. I think I missed the shot on Dow Jones, even though I planned for it. Oof, really bad. Really bad. This trade was really good on Dow Jones. So guys, I think I will call it a day. uh, I I think I have made the entry on Dow Jones here with a few ticks, and today's trade summary would be, let me see, this one I missed it. It's a very good one. Anyway, today's summary would be one stop loss on RT, which was the trade was quite good, and I mean I consider it quite good, but I should have waited a bit more for the price to come on this level here, so that my 50 ticks stop loss would have been saved. But I entered a bit early, which was here, and that's it. It was a potentially 3.5 hour trade, but I ended up in a stop loss with just two three ticks. On Dow Jones, I took a trade here on this week of, which was around 4 p.m. and I closed with 2 hour. So I think that's all. I'm not gonna fight the market today. 1 hour on 1 hour minus on RT and 2 hour plus on Dow Jones. So I think it's okay for me. So tomorrow, what we have tomorrow? Tomorrow there's nothing. Or yeah, there are durable goods orders. I don't think this is going to make a lot of impact. Maybe this one, home sales, potentially. Let me see here. Tomorrow there's nothing. So I mean, let's see. I don't even know if the market is gonna be open tomorrow, or if it does, it might close early because tomorrow is 24th, which is Christmas Eve. So see you later, guys. I hope you got some idea about how how to trade indices. It's very important for you to wait for a block to get taken out. Like for instance, look at Dow Jones. When the market gets open, you have to wait for a level to be broken, and that's what I did. The level got broken from here, and then you can plan your trade accordingly. Maybe if you want to enter with a stop order, which I don't recommend here, or maybe you can wait for price to come back up for retracement. That is the right way to enter. That's how I enter, and that's it. If you have entered the trade and if you want to keep holding it, I think you can potentially hold till this area here, which can be which can be tested. I mean, yes, this area can be tested here very well in 4 hours. Also, the price, yeah, this area can be tested 100%. So that's it. If you are on short on RT, if you wanna wait for this area to be taken out, then you can potentially wait for this area here, which can be a huge option. If you have taken a sell from here, you can potentially scale for what, 6 7 8 hour probably, but I don't think so. I don't think people would be able to hold for this long if you're using futures. So that's it for today. See you guys tomorrow. Maybe, I'm not sure. You'll get a notification in the Discord channel. Well guys, have a good weekend and see you.